I'm getting ready to roll as soon as I walk out the driveway.
Welcome, YouTubers. We've got a big moment for you. Dwaynes' truck, you've seen on some of the other videos, the green and silver one, always pulling the trailer for the derby cars. Well, it's about to hit a big moment for the mileage. It's about to hit 200,000. Yeah, all 9's going across. Oh, where it's at.
Just keep it right where it's at.
We're pulling out of the driveway, getting ready to head back to town. Oh, there she goes.
$200,000.
200,000 miles. That's what, 94?
The 1994 Chevy Silverado, 2-wheel drive, Canada model.
Alright, 200,000 miles and still on the road. Well,
the 2 didn't even roll all the way either.
Well, there you have it. Thought we'd share with you a big moment of the big truck hitting 200,000.
And a matter of fact, what time is it?
It is. There's the time.
No, that's 2 minutes fast.
2 minutes fast.
12:24, August 17th of 2009. This truck was made 15 years ago.
200,000. Still going strong, still pulling the trailers. And ain't gonna stop anytime soon.
Except for at a stop sign.
Yeah, except for the stop sign, obviously. But there you have it. Later.